Welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with a new video. If you are new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial, with just a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey and some travel vlogs here and there, and I'm back with another Microlocs video. As you can tell by the title, I am getting ready to go and get a retie. However, I want to take you guys through the process of how do I prepare to get the retie. So my retie is tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. I'm actually working today. I'm in between clients. So my retie is tomorrow. So usually I wash my hair the day before I go and get my retie. So I'm just kind of showing you what my hair looks like at exactly 6 weeks. So you can see how much new growth I have and just how I prepare for my retie. So I'm gonna take you through. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, what I wanna do is show you how my hair looks. 6 weeks since my last retie. I have it in a bun today because I knew I was gonna be washing my hair sometime today. I was gonna try to wait until tonight when I got off work. But the way my schedule is, I know I'm not going to want to do it when I get off work. And I know I'm not going to want to wake up early tomorrow and do it. So, yes. So, let me do a close-up. This is how my hair is looking. Look at the roots. You can kind of see the new growth from there. It's not a lot, but that's why I go every 6 weeks, because I don't want to be in the chair long, right? And this tends to work for my hair. I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, so yeah, it's kind of disgusting. It's kind of disgusting, but yeah, this is how my hair is looking 6 weeks post my last retie. And you'll see tomorrow how it looks once I get my retie, but yeah, this is how it is looking. The roots, they just, Ooh. Okay, well, I think that's really it right there. So what you're about to see me do, I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair, shampoo my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. I'm trying a new shampoo today. I know I've been doing doing different YouTube shorts where I'm actually trying new shampoos, but I don't want to do a YouTube short on this right now. I might do it later. But Tia Mowry has come out with a hair care line for natural hair. So I bought 2 of her shampoos, and I'm just using one today. And it's called For You by Tia. It's the clarifying shampoo, deeply cleanses and removes buildup. It has apple cider vinegar and Hemi 1.5. Never heard of it. Never heard of her. Your natural hair journey made simpler. It's sulfate-free and silicone-free, and this is 13 ounces. It's only sold at Walmart, so I got it from Walmart, but this is how the bottle looks. So yeah, y'all know I've been really in love with liquid shampoos as far as like the ones with the nozzle. So I'm going back to use like a regular shampoo. But yeah, I really want to try it. And I can give you guys my review on it at the end of it once I'm done washing my hair and drying it. And I can tell you how it makes my hair feel. But yeah, let's go ahead and go wash my hair. I probably will not be washing it in the shower because if I can be totally honest, I am tired of filming wash days. And not because I don't like to. Water gets all over my floor. I hate being in the shower with the sports bra on and then have to take a shower right after and clean it up and then start back filming. I'm sick of it. So I'm sick of doing wash days in the shower and filming them. So I am going to wash this in the kitchen sink today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I am back. My hair is washed and dried. It's probably about 98% dry. Usually I blow dry it on the lowest heat that's not cool, so the actual lowest heat setting for about 30 minutes, 15 minutes on each side. I did it for 20 because, yeah, I'm tired. So this is it. This is how it's looking before the retie. Yes. My retie is scheduled for 3:30 tomorrow, so my hair will definitely be fully dry by then. So yes, look at the results, y'all. Listen. Obviously, y'all see that I'm not using my tripod right now, but yes, the inches. Of course, we know this hair ain't gonna be this big tomorrow. We just already know. So I will see y'all tomorrow in my retie, and then we'll see the final result. Also, I'll probably just get my review on the shampoo at the end. I did like it though for the most part. I need to go back and just kind of smell it. It did feel like it lathered up well on that second wash. So might have to add it to one of my staples. But yes, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Time for a fresh retie. Listen. We ready, y'all. We are ready. All right, everyone, I am back from my retie appointment that was yesterday. Is the next day. I ended up leaving there and going to the Universal Circus with my line sisters. It actually was a Divine Nine night, so we got to stroll, and so I was such in a rush trying to get there, and by the time I got home, because then we ended up going out to eat and all that. Once I was done, we did some karaoke, y'all. Once I was done, I came home. It was like midnight, and I was like, okay, I'll let them see how my retie looks the next day. So let's go ahead. I'm taking off my bun. I just got out the shower and getting ready to start seeing clients. Let me come in a little bit. My girl, of course, did an amazing job. Let me kind of duck down a little bit so y'all can see my whole head. So it's something about those crispy parts, y'all, that just does it for me. First of all, so much volume, so much, even the next day, so much volume. I decided to go with a side part. So let's look at some of this here so you can kind of see. I'm gonna make sure y'all are able to see it. But yeah, she does an amazing job. I love her so much. Tiffany, shout out to you, Tiffany. But yes, so let's look on this side. Yes, the crispy part. I hope y'all see it because, you know, your girl be sucking and trying to show y'all. Okay, let's do a 360 really quickly. Okay, y'all. Well, that is it. That is the end of the video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe below for more Microlocs and mental health content. Follow me on TikTok and Twitter, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.